We've laid out our pattern for our valance now, and I've got it on masonite. So now I'm going to trace the pattern. Of course, I'll have to do it in 2 pieces because I don't have a big enough piece of masonite, but I believe I can, instead of going and getting a 4x8 sheet, I could do it this way with no problem. I can piece it together because I'm going to have a piece of wood behind it. Here's our basis for the window valance. So I get a little carried away here. But this is the padding and stuff that we're doing under the valance right here. And here's the back side of the valance. I just got through right here putting it together. I used 3M headliner right here. Let me get so you can see the writing on it. 3M headliner adhesive. It really works good. Read the instructions though. But yeah, it does a good job. And this is a little trim piece that I'll have black on, so I'm putting it on there now. The padding underneath to add something to it. So here's the bathroom valance. We just got it installed. It's kind of cute, isn't it? Just like the others. So we got her done. Got the valance on both windows now in the bedroom. Looking good. It's not too hard, but it takes a long time. It's kind of meticulous, so you have to plan ahead. It probably takes about 4 hours to do them all. That's not counting going after the supplies, the masonite, and the wood. So you got to plan accordingly.